Mike Larson here with an important update for September 14th, 2010. Wall Street traders are getting whipped around like crazy right now. One day the world looks like it's coming to an end and stocks are falling off a cliff. The next day some piece of news comes in that's slightly better than expected and the markets take off like a Polaris missile. That's precisely what we've seen happen over the past several days. It's not like the news is great, it's just been slightly less bad, and that's helped light a fire under stocks. But folks, this is all short-term stuff. If you take a step back from the day-to-day market gyrations, the big picture really becomes clear. Stocks are still more than 6% off their high, and the recent rally has done absolutely nothing more than push the market into a zone of key technical resistance. And the fundamental news? Nothing in the least to suggest a robust recovery is underway. Far from it. Take retail sales. They rose just 0.4% in August, roughly in line with forecasts. And it took deep discounts and tax-free back-to-school holidays in 17 states to generate even that kind of paltry gain. Or how about Best Buy, the electronics giant that reported earnings this morning? Sure, the company managed to beat expectations, but it wasn't because of a healthy increase in core sales. Sales at stores open at least a year, called same-store sales in industry jargon, actually fell 1% from a year ago. Only things like share repurchases and cost cuts help bolster the bottom line. Meanwhile, the economic news continues to weaken overseas. Investor confidence in Germany plunged to the lowest level in 19 months in September, and European industrial production flatlined in July compared with forecasts for a small gain. All told, I still remain unimpressed with this recent rally. We had similar rallies in mid-June and mid-July, and both of them fizzled out once the fundamentals reasserted themselves. Frankly, I'm looking for a three-peat. If anything, folks, you should treat these rallies as a gift, a great chance to lighten up your stock exposure and to buy downside hedges at better prices. I recommend you do precisely that if you haven't already.